Junk Guys, HeadCam, house clean out, garage. I don't know what we're doing, Jay.
I don't know either. It look like that much right there.
Put this shit on. All right. Got me? Go ahead.
Is it on?
You're good. One refrigerator, and we have 2 more on the other side.
Oh, refrigerators? Okay.
Yeah. What's wrong with the fridges? They're broken or what?
Is it the wood ones?
All of them?
Yeah. Both of them. I think one of them.
Yeah.
4 of them. Yeah.
What did he say? No good?
Excuse me?
They're no good. They're broken.
No.
No, they are moving, so they won't move another house.
They are good.
Are we moving those to another house?
No.
I think, no, I talked to him, he said it's exposed. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you talk to them.
Yeah. I agree, let's go those.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is good, sir. No dolly, huh?
Hey, leave that one to there. I'm gonna go look at the other 2, and then you're gonna have to reorganize the what do you call it?
some weight on it. Well, I know what's the name. It's hard to get it. No good. What you got? Now one of them can't go up there? Two of them. That's gonna kill your. It's gonna kill your flip. You know the flip on this is better than, like, just say you the one dunk. $50. Flip on $4 is way more than $50.
Scoot the other one up and scoot the front.
You got two more industrial back there too.
All right. Well, I need some new boots too.
Look at these. These are badass. They're coming from a cop. These 13s, but they don't feel like 13s. Dude, I couldn't fit this thing. I didn't even try mine. They're expensive. These are.
I'm gonna put them in front of the side. They don't. That trash?
No.
Okay. Huh?
They don't have wheels?
Nah. These ain't got no wheels.
There's a four-way in there. Yo, bro, there's a four-way right there.
Yeah, I seen it, but I thought it was broke, so I was like,
What's that bitch at? You saw it there?
I seen it, I know it.
We just gotta save. Yo, bro, that walk. Push that shit back up there. All of it. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it.
What?
You're not getting much from me.
That's cool.
Are you gonna help? He's
Yes.
helping. He's helping. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, get up and straighten it out. Elbow back.
Let me hold on. The other ones go right here.
Yeah.
I can see.
All right, Scooty that way. Maybe we'll put something there. Trap. Take it out. Hey Jay, the tread can go in there.
Treadmill.
Yeah. Angle off. Hold on. Angle off the weed eater like that.
There ain't no guts under here. Let me see.
No. Let me get it out.
You help a little bit, my friend?
Come back.
A little bit.
One, two, three, go. Okay. Let's go. Forward. Left. Back to back.
Huh? All right.
We'll get it all day. We just need room for that.
Piano?
Piano, bro. We get that piano.
Piano here too?
No.
Oh.
Yo, both those fridges were cool, weren't they?
You can still keep them.
Yeah.
You just don't get what you want. That's $60 spots.
Hell no, I'm getting 100 from that.
Yeah, you still get 100. Them whole trash.
I took one out.
You recycle, you back recycling now?
Yes. Can I get my phone?
So you still, do they be coming around? Look.
Take this bitch. Yo, man, let's take some of this shit out.
How much this house going for?
1.8.
What city this is?
$1.89.
This Dallas.
Yeah.
Is it worth 1.8? Is it worth 1.8?
Did you hit yourself or something?
I guess. I don't know. All right, go hold it. Go hold it right there. talking nasty.
Damn it! When did I start?
Man, out by the pool. By the pool, B.
Everything. I gotta edit all that.
Alright.
I can't even talk to you anymore. I'm gonna just put music behind it. And like that.
What's the angle you want to go with this?
And we can stand it up. So if we put the piano, what we're gonna have to do, you're gonna have to get in there and move that fucking carpet. Give us a little bit more room.
Hey, what about these on top of each other?
I thought of that too. The holes are just fucking heavy.
If bro help us, we can do it. That carpet, it can go on the back.
Throw it out, come on.
It just.
Yo, those chairs, hand me those chairs. No man, throw those fucking chairs up there.
All right. I know you had some goodies in here you could have sold, right?
Oh, we got a lot. Because we're not disposing of it yet, you know?
Yeah,
I got a lot of stuff. Yo, bro, you don't know how much I've been making selling stuff.
Man, I know.
Crazy. Crazy shit.
You gonna offer up what you on?
Facebook Marketplace, that's it. Don't need nothing else. Facebook's big.
How much you think you make off that?
Man, I actually made $495 in one day. I made like $350, $400,
It's profit.
$250 off.
Profit. These are the killers, ain't it? These right here.
$100 each?
Yeah.
I put the whole $1.
What you make off of recycling? Nothing.
Dude, actually recycling has been up a little. So we took the truck, the back of the truck, full, 110. Then I took a trailer, 190.
Take some of your
Yeah,
pay.
I had a lot of trailers.
It
Like half a trailer?
So basically, you looking at your reflips, gonna pay your car note, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. Just recycle once a month, you know?
Yeah.
Recycle
Help on
twice
the
a month, and
help
then
on your
sell stuff.
Yeah.
Whenever the bill's coming up. And it'll cover at least half the cost of the car.
It can cover all the costs depending on what you get.
Exactly.
Just you got to get good stuff.
Because like right now, I haven't sold nothing. That garage is getting held up.
I need what's the name? My cousin trying to buy a bedroom set. That one you got, let me give me a price on it.
Which one?
The one that you kept the mattress.
Oh, she wants the mattress. My girlfriend wants the mattress.
No, I need the bed. She want the whole thing?
The frame?
Yeah.
No, she just wants the bed.
She just want the mattress.
Mattress and bed. She don't want the frame?
What you gonna do? How much you want for the frame?
$2.
All right, yeah, I'll tell her. That's brand new.
Yeah, it's practically brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, the frame's nice. Okay.
Ashley's.
I got one. Oh, he's got it. I have a mattress.
I got to stay over here.
All the chairs and stuff. Yeah. Every 6 months. Everybody's standing here.
Hey, it's the best one.
Yeah?
Just cleaned it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be the best one. Cause it's all white.
Yeah.
The other ones you got, it's wood grain. Yeah.
We don't have so we don't have. We have 2 minutes. Okay. What you leaning like I leaned it?
What you mean?
I went like this. To bring that other one down, I brought it down. If you're too far out, you're gonna push it out.
Take that bitch sideways like this. We're gonna load it sideways.
All the fridge are working condition.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know that one part.
Well, the one I took wasn't. The
All
one that we took away here, the first one, is broken.
That I don't know, but we
other
usually
one?
keep everything safe. Yeah.
Okay.
For during the party,
Yeah.
we keep everything.
Watch out. I like dollies, you like 4-ways.
No, I like dollies too. That's all I had.
Oh, it's good.
We were gonna drive the bitch out, period. I didn't think we had a 4-way.
We would have been in punishment mode, huh?
Eliminates an hour.
More than that. Stress, frustration.
Watches the house.
He just watches the house? What you hitting him on this?
200. It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, yeah. Stress and drama, you know. Pain and stuff. Got him for pain and stuff. Yeah, tell him.
Buddy! We're gonna stand it back up.
It's gonna fall.
Yeah,
It's gonna fall.
put it in there right now, and then we'll supper over there.
It could stand up.
Bring it to home when we get back.
Once we lift up, it'll go back.
There's a lot of kids.
Yeah, you got a lot of kid toys. And move.
You know anybody that has baby? I'm gonna give you the toys, not the carriages. Really fucking want everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So what we gonna do? We're gonna stand it up, push it all the way to the back.
Okay.
I just need you to help me. I need to be right here. It's gonna kiss the lip. See that problem right there?
Got it. Okay, that's you. What's wrong?
Stuck on something. Stuck on something. This belt, man.
What is it stuck on? Oh, I see it. It's the floor. You made a hole in it. Leave it there. We'll worry about it later.
Don't worry about it later. Make that bitch cooperate. Just keep going in that wood.
I see it. How's it making a dig?
You got it's sharp. That you see that edge?
Yeah, I see that. It sucks. Go get this fucking treadmill. Come on. Oh, look at all the fucking holes in there. I think you have to protect the contact. Yeah.
What'd he say?
I think we're going at the front door.
And this small
This?
Yeah, this one also.
Okay.
It has to be. Oh, you are taking this one?
Las pesadas están todas.
200 libras seguro.
¿Por qué no les sacas? ¿Por qué no les sacan? No sacan. ¿Se mueren?
Yo no sé nada de eso.
I'll be.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Log?
You going around?
¿Cuál? Oh, yo pensé que, mira, yo pensaba que era.
Sí, también es.
Le ponen un 4-way, ¿no? ¿Cómo lo mueven? ¿Con un dog? ¿Normal?
Es lo que queremos, es lo que pensamos hacer.
Es un 4-way ¿Y si lo sacan, sí se mueve?
Sí se mueve porque estos son muy delicados. Muy delicados. Igual. ¿Ya se enraizó?
Oh, that's not heavy. No pesan tanto, pues.
A ver, ¿qué cae de tantillo?
Ya se va a creer. Oh shit, everywhere.
Que se ve que no pesa tanto.
Yeah.
Heavy something. It work?
It's working.
Well, we're gonna find out right now if it's working because it doesn't say anything.
They don't block it. Is it blocking? Oh yeah. What do you call this one?
It's called a treadmill.
Treadmill?
Yeah, this thing doesn't work. Let's donate this too. Okay?
Let's donate it. We're gonna get this bitch out, son. Without out, son.
And he's asking me that can you bring the two things down from the office chair?
What is it?
One is TV and one is sofa.
Let's see what we can do. Yo, what do you have? What's your idea? That turn right there.
Turn, motherfucker.
Let's get it there and stand it up and move it. God damn, how did I get that turn?
That big. I'm gonna lift it up. You're gonna have to stir it. Somebody had to stir it. If I lift the wheels, she got it. Yeah.
Get on down and get it over there.
They got wheels. In front.
Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. We were doing this right. I interrupted you.
Got a little weight on. boy. No good, huh?
Turning that to the front of the side.
You gotta go on the side, right?
He's gonna have to help. Yeah. Generally all at the same time. You got that in, you can start lifting it. One wheel. Slide it out. Push the wall. Yes. Done?
Hey, can you get that dolly for me?
Okay.
My friend, please. What else to call him? Friend. My friend. Hey, this could go in the back of the truck too. We got it. So scoot the truck up.
Yeah, we'll do it in a minute.
All right. So just put it right here at the front?
Yeah. Oh, he's coming. He's coming.
Wait.
I didn't even think about he was coming. We saw him and everything, didn't do anything. All right, Jay, you ready? Go. I got the trailer backing up. Junk Guys here.
What you want me to do? Talk or move
Just
it?
move it out of the way so he can get parked up. Got a trailer coming in right here. J-Rock's moving the trailer. Okay, what are we doing inside, bro?
Man, they got us moving a treadmill. It was a crazy corner situation, but we got it done.
Yeah.
I think they want us to move some stuff from upstairs, downstairs.
HeadCam, treadmill, working.
Just another day.
Next over and out.
Latino.
Working drive too.
Yeah, he hooked it in. He hooked that boy in there.
तो आ गए ना टेबल पे आ गए ना
They want us to take the TV?
Where's it at? I think he's sex.
Man, you bullshit. You bullshit. You got a nigga on the house.
That's this one and this one. Just it has to go down on you.
That boy bullshit. Is that downstairs right there? Is another stairs too. Is that downstairs right there?
Yeah, that.
Look at all this stuff right here, man. You trying to kill us.
I don't know. Boss is boss.
This going?
Yeah.
This going downstairs?
Yeah.
Where we at?
Tight little squeeze. Tight little squeeze. The TV too, right?
Yeah. Just going down on this.
Yeah. And like this? Yeah.
Then
Lift it up, lift it up.
somebody will come to pick up.
Hold on. 1,
Legs. Get the legs off it. They stick out so far.
Turn it over. Oh, they screwed in?
No, they're coming off from the top.
Yours coming off?
It's loosened a lot. Mine's not loosening.
Just moving only.
Just move it.
I think.
It's gonna kill an inch or two, man. See what I'm saying?
Them things gonna tear that wall up.
Don't start the wall. Start the wall.
Yeah, bring it back. Come on.
What's the play now? I gotta put this on snap.
Not coming out. You're loosening up a lot. It's coming off. It's coming off.
Buddy boy wanted us to move his TV, his couch, down this little space.
Not coming off.
Not coming
Boy,
out.
we gonna chip up his wall. Boy, we gonna air it up. TV, but we already took about 4 ice box up this jump.
He's gonna need us to get a tool to take these off.
Okay. So let it be that.
Let's do the TV. Jay, move this way, bro. Get on
The same place.
call him.
Yeah.
Tell him that I have to come back to get the drill to do it.
Okay.
But I'll do it. You know, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it. Scoot it that way, Jay. Get out of the way so we can read the TV.
Hold on.
Not a problem, okay? We just don't have the tools for it. Okay. Do whatever you gotta do to make sure.
Why don't you keep here?
We gotta get the TV. We gotta walk the TV down.
Okay. The wall is scratching and that.
I just need to rest it. There you go.
Ooh, this motherfucker's heavy.
Big back.
Oh my God, what does he want to do with that TV? Keep it?
Yeah, you want to keep it.
Yeah, you didn't get him on the phone. That thing's a piece of shit. He really wants to keep it. Yeah, no, this is a piece of shit.
Is it very heavy?
It's just so heavy. Yeah, but we're gonna get it. This is no problem. We get it.
Okay.
But he doesn't want it. Yeah, this thing's older than fuck. That's not part of the TV, though.
Oh man. Hold on. Buddy boy, tripping. This thing ain't been too much or smart of nothing. All the things you want to do?
He wants that one.
They can see your picture. Now, what's up? We going boom, boom, 3?
1, 2.
Just 2?
Yeah.
We got it then.
You need help out.
Okay. I got it.
Okay. So you're gonna have to get this side. I can't do it.
I know. I'm mad.
Yeah.
Is that him? Can I talk to him?
He wants to talk.
Hey, buddy. How are you? Okay, so we got the TV. You want this TV? You're gonna keep this TV? Oh, okay, that's fine. These couches, I have to come back to undrill. I have to come back to take the legs off of them. They're scratching up the walls. I can't get them out of here without the walls. The couches upstairs, sir? The 2 couches upstairs that are in the game room? No, sir, they told me to take them downstairs. Well, I don't know what you want me to do. I already loaded what you told me to do. I already did that. I got the 4 fridge. Okay, and the TV? Are you? Yes, sir. I did those things. Yes. Okay then. All right, no problem. We're done.
We're done?
It's good.
He doesn't want me moving the TV either. Can you just push him back?
Where? I have to move the TV back.
Well, he's gonna miss the him. That's what I wanted us to do. That's all. Yeah. He tried to get us on the switch.
Buddy boy. You sneaky son.
Give to me?
You knew.
Yeah, you knew.
It's okay.
Just lift it up. I'm not gonna lift it. You see how heavy it is?
It's very
Why you
heavy.
want that? Yeah. Why you want that at your house? I don't know.
Way lighter right now.
He was giving you that too, huh? Come on, buddy boy. Get out there, get out there.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Buddy boy trying to kill us. We gotta talk about this on Snap. Buddy boy. Hey, you mind if I had that backpack for my son? This is cool. So DC, joint. Man. Put this on. Let me put this up there, buddy boy. Please. Let me throw this up there. Let me throw this up there, please.
You got busted, huh?
You gotta go up. Move it. I got it.
Okay, he's telling that.
Buddy boy did.
Get the couch in it.
Yeah.
You want to take the truck now? You want to
Yes.
put the can on too, man? Break it down.
Barbecue.
Thank you, sir. We appreciate that. We're good here.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What is it? What do you want? What do you got?
This one.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up there.
Okay.
Buddy boy wanted us to get that. He wanted us to take his stuff down. Man, that thing about 800 pounds, man. Buddy boy.
I don't know that, guys.
You don't know that?
He's making the plan, I don't know.
He making up stuff. I already know that.
But he told me in the morning, just have to go in
Don't
there.
worry about it, man. No big deal. He told me not to move it. No, do not touch that stuff. I said, okay. That's what he told me, so. He told me one thing, he told me this.
Who paying you?
It don't matter.
We friends, bro.
We'll
business. Yeah, no matter. Yeah, I do understand. Y'all needed help. We should have never got him on the phone.
Hey, listen, we would have did the same thing.
Yeah.
If you had some people come and this stuff that somebody giving is heavy, we don't know. We don't know what's, you know. You could be a distant cousin of ours. Now that, you look like Ricardo. Buddy boy. Y'all look alike. Woo! My friend. My friend right here. Nah, it's too, you gonna push over too much. Come on. Ah. You see right there? That's pretty much. Nah, let's do it now. Let's do it now. Let's do it now. Look. No. See? No. Right here? I'm right here. Is it hooked? Okay, there you go. Son's bitch. Go ahead.
Drop it in the alley. Organize the carpet. I got this.
No, it's gonna fall right here. It's gonna fall, yeah.
HeadCam video done. 4 refrigerators, treadmill, couch. 3 of the Sub-Zero fridges work. Over and out here in Dallas, Texas. HeadCam, we're out. $250 later.